My name is Gabriel Silva. I speak some languages. Right now, I would like to talk about effortless language learning. What does that mean, and is it possible? I believe that effortless language learning means that you're not going to be looking at it as a chore. I believe that effortless language learning is enjoying your language learning. The more you enjoy learning a new language, the more effortless it is. Because think about the reverse. If you dread picking up your book or whatever method you're using to learn a language, then it's like you're gonna have to put a lot of effort into it. It's not gonna be something enjoyable. So I really think that effortless language learning is really tied to appreciating the language learning process, having a good time. When I tell this to some people, they're a bit skeptical. But how is that possible? How can you enjoy language learning? If you've seen my other videos, I always talk about this. I believe that there are many different ways in which we can make language learning more enjoyable. It should be a fun thing. What I always say as well is that we can always focus on content that we do enjoy as we're learning a new language. And exposure to that content will be an enjoyable thing. And then language learning becomes more effortless. I also always say, look for programs and methods that you do enjoy. That way, it's not going to seem like a chore. And aside from just enjoying language learning, which will make it more effortless in a way, I think that there's something that a lot of people simply don't focus on and don't consider when learning a new language. And that is actually developing the skills for learning a new language. When I say this, some people look at me and they ask me, okay, great. Now, aside from learning a language, I also need to learn how to learn a language. But the thing is that, of course, you can do that simultaneously. As you learn a language, you can essentially improve your language learning skills. And if you focus on that, language learning will become progressively more and more effortless. Learning a language will become easier as you develop the skills to learn a language more effectively. For example, how to learn vocabulary more efficiently, how to improve your listening skills, how to improve your conversational skills. The good news is, like I always say, there are a lot of polyglots out there sharing their experiences, and they're sharing how to learn a language more efficiently. In my channel, I'm always going to be sharing strategies on learning how to learn a language, and there are many skills that you can build. Even the skill to simply learn more from text and audio is just such an important skill. Another piece of good news is that there are many resources that can enable you to master these skills more quickly. So that's it, my friends. To learn a language more effortlessly, you need to enjoy it, and you also need to learn how to learn, build your skills, and then it's going to become an effortless thing. You will succeed in language learning, maybe just one language, maybe 10, maybe 20, who knows. And good luck learning a new language.